Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Computer Like a Pro. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive for installing Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Creating a bootable USB drive might sound complicated, but I'll break it down into easy steps. Let's get started. First, head over to the Microsoft website and download the Media Creation tool. Once downloaded, run the tool and accept the license terms. Next, select the language and edition of Windows 11 you want to install. Now, connect your USB drive and select the radio button next to USB flash drive. Click Next. So now select the correct USB flash drive from the list under removable drives listed here. Remember, this will erase all data on the drive, so make sure to back up any important files. Click Next and wait for the tool to download and set up the USB drive. This might take some time, so be patient. Once it's done, you can click on Finish, so now you'll have a bootable USB drive ready to install Windows 11. Simply plug it into the PC you want to install Windows 11. Before starting the Windows installation process, you can also back up all the important data in your PC, as we will do a clean installation of Windows 11. So back up the data on the C disk to any other disk or external drives. Restart the PC. After booting from the USB drive, you should see the Windows 11 setup screen which you were seeing on the video screen. So now specify your language, time and currency format in keyboard or input method and click Next. Select Install Now. Enter your Windows product key and select Next. If you don't have one or want to activate Windows 11 later, select I don't have a product key. Select the operating system version you want to install, e.g., Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro. Accept Microsoft's software license terms and select Next. Select the option labeled Custom to clean install Windows 11. If you want to upgrade from a previous iteration of the operating system while keeping your data intact, select Upgrade instead. Pick the drive or partition where you want to install Windows 11 and select Next. Wait until the Windows setup copies and installs Windows 11 from the bootable USB drive. And that's it. You've successfully created a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.